There's the baby in the tub.
Nice and warm.
The angle is too tight to appreciate it.
Nice and warm in that tub, huh? Nice and warm.
Do something very cute.
Baby's yucky face. Huh? Nice and warm to wash his yucky face. Yes, it is. Get all that cereal off, huh? Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Could you stand him up for a moment so we can see that?
Soap for baby's stomach? You like to stand up, Nikki. You like to stand up in the bath. No standing up in the bath. Nikki. Nikki, come.
Nick, look in here very close and give a smile. Nick. Nicholas Ryan. Hi. Hi.
Good boy. Getting nice and so.